Imagine this. You're relaxing at home in Oakland, CA, when suddenly you hear the unmistakable sound of water gushing where it shouldn't be. What would you do if a pipe suddenly burst in your home, flooding your floors and threatening your belongings? Water spreads faster than most people expect, and within minutes a small leak can turn into serious damage. Even a slow drip can soak into floors, walls, and furniture, causing problems that aren't always visible right away. If this is happening right now, don't wait. You can call for immediate emergency plumbing help at +1 8888 862 0246. The sooner you act, the more you can limit the damage and protect your home. When plumbing emergencies aren't handled quickly, water can travel behind walls, under floors, and into areas you can't see. This hidden moisture can linger for days, quietly causing more harm. This is how mold starts, structural damage happens, and repair costs grow fast. Mold can develop in as little as 24 to 48 hours, and once it takes hold, it's tough and expensive to remove. And let's be honest, DIY fixes often fail, especially when pressure, pipes, or hidden leaks are involved. Temporary solutions might seem to work, but they rarely address the root of the problem. Instead of guessing or waiting, connect with a local emergency plumber now at +1 888 862 0246. Professional help is just a call away, and it can make all the difference. Licensed and insured emergency plumbers in Oakland, CA deal with situations like this every day. They're trained to handle everything from burst pipes to overflowing toilets, and they know how to act fast. They understand local plumbing systems, safety codes, and how to stop damage the right way, not just temporarily. Their expertise means your home is protected for the long term, not just patched up for now. With one call, you're connected to a licensed local emergency plumber available 24/7. No matter the time of day or night, someone is ready to help. Calls are handled live and dispatched quickly across Oakland and nearby areas, so help reaches you when it matters most. Fast response is key to minimizing water damage and stress. If you need help right now, call +1 888 862 0246 and get connected to emergency plumbing support. Don't let uncertainty or panic slow you down. Emergency plumbers arrive prepared with professional tools to stop leaks, secure pipes, and prevent further damage. They'll assess the situation, explain your options, and get to work right away. Fast response often means less cleanup, less stress, and less long-term repair work. You can get back to your normal life sooner, with peace of mind. Emergency plumbing service is fast and reliable. You won't be left waiting and wondering when help will arrive. It may not always be the cheapest option, but delaying repairs almost always leads to much higher costs later. Acting quickly can save you thousands in the long run. We've seen many homes in Oakland avoid major water damage simply because help arrived in time. Early intervention is the best way to protect your investment. Quick action protects your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind. Don't let a plumbing emergency take that away from you. Every minute you wait can cause more damage. The clock is ticking, and water doesn't wait for anyone. For urgent plumbing emergencies, call now. +1 888 862 0246. Protect your home, your family, and your future by acting fast.